Morning YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome. You can join us on WhatsApp group. We're going to see Goslotto 550 winning strategy. My phone number is 061 sorry 0677 841 06777 Yes, so let's see Goslotto 550. The first strategy is to take these last two numbers and do plus or minus the bonus ball. Yes, so each number you do plus or minus. So for example, here we have 36 and 46, right? When you say bonus plus 40, that's a number and a minus, right? Then here you get a 32 and 48. 32 and 48. Then you get here again 45 and 35. All right, right? And here you get to 49 and 33, right? And 33. So these are the numbers that we play in the next coming draws. Meaning that if this number don't drop somewhere, you just keep, you take the host one in it. But when you see that the numbers today, let's say this is in a numerical order, 45 and 35, they are in numerical order. What you do, you go in the front or the baby. Since 35 and 45, then you go, you play the front ones. You don't play this when you get the answer which is in numerical order. Look at here, we have a 36 and a 46. The 646, you already know that in numerical order, the front number is 6, 16, 26. So here also you play 5, 15, 25. Yes, then you pair your numbers in two numbers. Then we have also 48 and 32. Then you keep those 48 and 32 that way. You don't change. And when the number end by 6, for example, if we had a 46 and here in numerical order we have a 46, you do minus 3. So that's how you do minus 3, you get a 43, and then you can also play the spin. That's how our numerical order gave us two numbers, which is 5 and 16. Then the number which ended by 6 was 36. The 6 was inside already. Then we have a 46, and then 36 is out. Then we replace it to 46, and the 46 minus 3, which is 34 or 43. So this is how the numbers came out. Let's go here. Let's do plus or minus here where we get the 43 and the 51. So we only do 43, 51, right? 51 is a 41. You go behind because the number is above 50. Then let's go here plus or let's go here plus or minus 4. We have a 38 and a 30. So 38 and 30. So we already see 41 here and 30. Then then when we go to the second bonus, it's gonna be 54. Then you pray 44. When is it 54? You pray 44 or you spin it to 45. And then you do uh minus is gonna give us 40, right? 40 is already sitting there, you can spin it to 4. Then here we have, so now we have a 40, then we have a 41, right? Now here we having on 31, and this one it's gonna give us 41. Then we do minus, gonna give us the 27. So now 41 came there twice. You're gonna start with 41 which came twice, then you put the rest of the number. Now that we have a 41 and we have a 44, right? 41 and 44 are sitting, meaning one of the number will come because these numbers movement, they move together, right? So that is how it is. And since we have a 41 and 44, 41 here, 41 plate, so meaning that you got yourself two numbers. Then you check which number in numerical order. The numbers that in numerical order is 13, the 40 play also 20. So that is how, but 20, because the 20 was here, that's the reason they didn't bring 20. So this is how it work. Let's go here. This is how it work. Alright. Oh, so let's go to today. I thought I was doing like on the 30th. Wow. Sorry, guys. So now we have a 45. A 45 came straight away. When you do minus, it's gonna be 37. Now we have here 21. We have a 21 and a 39, right? Then when we use the 4, we have a 34, which came as a 43. Then we have also 26. 26 already prayed. You do minus a 3, it's gonna give us 23. When the number ended by 6 and already prayed, you just do minus 3. There is a 23 which is supposed to pray here, and it came there. You keep your, because that number will be, we have a 26. 26 is already in the draw. You just do minus 3 and relax. So there 23. Then 23, if it didn't come here, you just relax. Keep it with you, right? When you do minus, do plus and minus here as well, we have a 44. 44 is a missing number on this lotto. Then we have a 52. 52 is 25 or 42. Then because here we have a 24, for 24 also is 28. Remember, these numbers move following each other. That's how 28 is sitting there. On UK 49, they have been playing 24. Remember to keep 28 in your numbers. Let's move. Now we have for 50 here, we have a 50, we have a 35, we have a, but you can see that we already have two numbers. We have a 38, we have a 4. So when you calculate plus or minus the last number, then I noticed that the number we have a 38, and here we will find 38. So if the number was a repeat here, you will use it again. If it was here in the started and didn't drop here, you can take it to the next step. As I say, you can keep always the number which was in previously, then it's come again to the next. Now we have a 46. We have a 46, right? 46 is not in the drawer there. Then we have a 52. 52 is a 42 or 25. Most of the time they are using this 42. Then we have here we have a 37, and we have a 37 and a 43. So between the 43 and the 46, one number should come, because if you have a family of 3, you do plus 3, family of 6, you do plus 6, plus 3, minus 3. Now when you do a minus here, we get to 47. Remember 47 and the 37 are here, the 27 you can drop because it's in numerical order. And when you do plus, is 51, which is a 41, right? And remember, we are waiting also 44, and the 41 can come with 44. Let's go. Then we have the other number. So yeah, just go and do it because my screen is becoming very small. Yeah. So that is how you calculate. Then let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. I want you to see this. From here, they took 16 plus 10, which is 26. 14 plus 10, which is 24. 24 is always 28 or 42, right? So 42 is missing here. Then we have 24 is 34. Then 34 is sitting here. They choose to use the collaborating number. Now we have a 28, which can be 38. So meaning that they can come back to this distance between here, right? So that is how Goslotto, these are the most two important Goslotto 749. Let me add the spice of the strategy which you must always use. You take this number which is sitting on the fourth seat, you separate. We have a 3, we have a 0. 3 plus 0 is 0. 0, it's a symbol of the clock strategy, which is a 24. 24 is sitting there. Then you play 3, you play 24. Right? Let's go. 4 and 5. 4 and 5, you separate them, you add them together and minus together. We have a 9, we have a 4, 40 or 50, and we have also 4 minus 4 is 1 or 10. So you can see 40 is sitting there. Then 4 plus, they took 4 and 9, 49 is sitting there. Let's go. We have a 4 and 0, 0. Now with 0 is 24. 4 is just a 4, right? You play your 4 and you play 24 or 42 because it can spin. Then also another thing you can do with this 4, you can add a 10. Make it 14. Yes, those are the numbers. Thank you so much. You can, there are 3 strategies which you're gonna go and do on your paper because the screen is too small. I couldn't make nice numbers. Thank you.